What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a 2013 Ford Focus ST, and we have just installed some very nifty aftermarket headlight and taillight assemblies. I'll put a link down below where you can get them. But one trick is you will need H1 bulbs. The H1 bulbs go on the inside, so that's the high beam, and then the low beam bulb will be an H7. Okay, so that's how you can look them up when you go to your auto parts store. H1 and H7 you'll need, and then the ones in the corner has a little bitty bulb in the corner right there on both assemblies. Those will be your typical single element, little turn signal bulb 168, which is this little guy here, because the stock bulb will not work with this new assembly. So that's what you need to know. H7, H1, and 168. Installing them is not that difficult. They fit right where the stock assemblies go. Just make sure that, take your time installing, how they are pushed into the little holes there. Just take your time doing that. It's a little tricky. And look how this little single spade bulb for the high beam. Make sure that you take your time when doing this, because it can be rather frustrating just trying to put the lights back in the sockets. A little frustrating. Otherwise, they look fantastic. And like I said, I'll put a link down below where these came from. They look very nice and professional. Just a little bit tricky, that's all. And we got tons of videos about this car, so check out our channel. And we got more stuff about motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, golf carts, hot rods, cars, trucks, old stuff, new stuff, working around the house, all kinds of crap. So check it out. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen and shoot us a donation. We really appreciate it. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.